Every UI UX designer should know these websites to improve his designs, and especially fonts, icons, colors, and the illustrations. So I'm just going to tell you the website so you can go and check out the fonts and colors and illustration that will help you improve your designs. So first of all, I will tell you about the website that you can go and check out. These are my favorite website, and I always use these websites. Number one is for fonts is number one is dafonts, and number two is Google Fonts. I mostly download the fonts from these websites. These are free to use, and you just have to go there, search any font, and you can download and install in your PC or laptop, and then you can start using in your tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator or XD or any tool that you are going to create your designs. Number two is icon. So icons are the most important things to represent the styles of in the apps or especially in the websites. So for the icons, I suggest you to most visit the flat icons website, flaticon.com and iconfinder.com. There are several websites over there, but you should know about these two websites, especially to improve your designs. And number three is colors. Colors are the most important thing that represent a clean design. So I mostly use the website that name as colorhunt.com. I went to there and just I search for the colors that I want to use in my websites and or the mobile app design, and I just choose the color palette from there. And number four is the illustrations. The website I use is storyset.com, which has very clean design. I just went there and searched for any type of illustration that I want to use in my designs, and I just search for like human illustrations or office work illustrations or let's say mobile app mockups or let's say plants in the background. So I just went there and searched in the website and download the required result. So these are the most important website that I use on my daily basis to create the design in very fast pace. I will also suggest you to start using these website on daily basis and check the new style and illustrations day to day to improve your designs and improve your work.